The Lekise Factory is located in Mueang District, Samut Sakhon Province, Thailand. The plant is up-to-date, safe, and efficient, reflecting the values toward which Lekise executives and staff constantly strive for. The Lekise plant covers an area of roughly 80 rai and employs 520 workers. The factory produces 500 different kinds of lamps and more than 200,000 bulbs daily. Quality control is practiced at every stage of the manufacturing process. Lekise has earned a reputation for dependable products which customers can trust. In the quality control section, products are tested thoroughly to ensure that they are up to standard and meet all specifications. Lekise research and development team closely monitors the durability of all the company's products. Lekise holds the current industry record for the longest functioning fluorescent lamp, 22,000 hours.